In a world where luxury meets power and style flirts with excess, one name stands out for pushing the limits of bold automotive design: Mansory. And now they've set their sights on the brand new BMW M5, giving the already aggressive hybrid super sedan a makeover so extreme it might just make you forget how heavy it really is. Welcome to the carbon fiber diet, Mansory-style. Let's begin with the elephant in the room, or rather the 5,390-pound elephant that is the latest BMW M5. While BMW's engineers have crafted a phenomenal machine combining a twin-turbocharged 4.4-liter V8 with hybrid assistance, Mansory believes there's always room for more. More power, more carbon fiber, and a lot more drama. Starting with the exterior, Mansory takes the M5's look to an entirely new level of aggression. The carbon fiber hood is vented and sculpted, ensuring it not only looks fierce but also offers better cooling. The front bumper now wears a new splitter and intake garnishes, all made of carbon fiber. And if you thought Mansory would stop there, think again. Along the side, carbon fiber continues to dominate, with side skirts, mirror caps, and fender grills all getting the lightweight treatment. To top it off, quite literally, Mansory shields are added to the fenders, echoing Ferrari's iconic flair. It's a bold move, but hey, subtlety isn't what Mansory is known for. The rear of the M5 is where things get truly unhinged. A massive carbon diffuser wraps around 3 center-mounted exhaust pipes, signaling serious performance intentions. Above that, Mansory adds both a roof spoiler and a lip spoiler, enhancing downforce and street cred. Even the rear reflectors have been dressed in carbon to resemble fake vents, because why not? Despite all this lightweight material, don't expect the M5 to drop 100 pounds. The ultra-light 22-inch forged wheels may shave off a few pounds, but at nearly 2.5 tons, this is still a heavyweight fighter. Still, it's the illusion of lightness that counts, and in Mansory's world, perception is everything. Under the hood, however, the upgrades are anything but superficial. While the hybrid motor remains untouched, the V8 engine now produces a staggering 838 horsepower and 1,150 Nm of torque. That's an increase of 121 HP and 150 Nm over the stock M5, and it turns this already rapid sedan into a true Autobahn missile. As expected, the engine cover gets a splash of carbon and Mansory branding to match the theme. Inside, Mansory gives the cabin its signature treatment. Think black and orange leather upholstery, custom floor mats, and sporty aluminum pedal covers. It's loud, it's flashy, and it's very Mansory. Whether it's to your taste or not, it's impossible to ignore. Now, some might ask, does this transformation come with any handling upgrades? Not yet. Mansory hints that more is coming, possibly including suspension tweaks or braking enhancements. But for now, the driving dynamics remain stock, meaning it's still a well-balanced yet heavy M5 at heart, with a whole lot more horsepower. So, is the Mansory BMW M5 for everyone? Absolutely not. But for those who crave the outrageous, the unapologetically loud, and the brutally powerful, this build is a head-turning statement on 4 wheels. While BMW gears up for the M5's next major update in 2027 as part of the newer Classe, Mansory reminds us that there's still room for wild imagination and aftermarket muscle. One thing's certain, if you roll up in this M5, people will know you've arrived, and they'll hear you coming from blocks away.